4, what is my output? Guys, did you remember when we have discussed about break statement, when we came across break statement, or else when we have used this break statement? Tell me, guys, come on here. When we used this break statement, my question is, when we have used this break statement, in which control statement we have used this? Come on, guys. Exactly. In switch, we have used this break statement, right? At that time, I told you a point. Guys, whenever the compiler came across break statement, most of the time, people will be thinking that the entire program will be terminated, right? But what actually happens? Entire program will not be terminated. The compiler will be coming out from the loop, or else it will be coming out from the block I told you. Did you remember this? So now my question is, in this particular program, when the compiler will come across break statement? Okay, so first we are going to get our output as start. Why? Because every Java program execution starts from main method. Okay, start. After that, line number 21, we are creating an object. Okay, we are creating an object with the help of which keyword? New keyword. And initializing that object with the help of a constructor. Come on, constructor name will be same as class name. Okay, so this is an object. Now with the help of this object, we are trying to call method 1. So from line number 21, directly our compiler will be going to line number 5. Line number 22 is executed or waiting for execution? Exactly. Line number 22 is waiting for execution. Okay, now here system.out.println implementing jump statements will be printed. Right. After that, for okay, initialization int I equal to 1. All right. Checking the condition. I, that is 1, is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Enter into the for loop. Online students, are you following, guys? Online students, are you following? Guys, kindly please respond in the chat. Guys, kindly please respond in the chat. Online students. Right. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Now, so here, whenever the condition is true, compiler will enter into the for loop. For loop starts from line number 9, ends with line number 15. Okay. Inside the for loop, compiler came across this if condition. If I is equal to 5. What is I value, guys? I value is 1. Is it equal to 5? Nope. Though this condition is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. If the condition is false, compiler will not execute this loop. I mean, that block. Am I right or wrong? So it will not enter into this block. Directly, it will be coming and executing line number 14. That is I value 1 will be printed. After that, are there any statements left behind? Are there any statements left behind? No. So from after executing line number 14, again our compiler will be going to increment or decrement operator. Now here again the condition, I mean I value is getting incremented. Checking the condition. Guys, you already know this. Checking the condition. Condition is true. Enter into the for loop. So again checking the condition. I value is 2. No, this condition is false. So compiler will not enter into this block. Directly line number 14. I value is 2 will be printed. After this, again I plus plus means 2 will be incremented to 3. Guys, are you following? So checking the condition. Yes, here I value is 3. Condition is false. So again, I value 3 will be printed. After that, okay, again I plus plus, I value will be incremented to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. So this condition is false. Directly system.out.println, I value 4 got printed. Up to here, very good. After that, again, I value will be incremented to 5. Now checking the condition. 5 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Yes, it is less than or equal to 10. So the condition is true. Enter into the for loop. Now condition, I value is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So here the condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, compiler will enter into the if block. So here what we are writing, guys, we are writing break. So compiler came across break statement. If the compiler came across break statement, it will come out from the loop I told you, right? So directly compiler came out from for loop will be printed. Compiler came out from for loop will be printed. After that, all the statements which were present inside this method got executed. And then last line number 22, that is end will be printed. END, end. Please check this. Right click, run as Java application, and we are getting our output like this. Start implementing jump statements. I value 1, 2, 3, 4. Compiler came out from for loop end. So here what you need to understand is, guys, whenever compiler came across break statement, it will come out from the loop. It will be coming out from the loop. Kindly please do remember this particular point. Online students, is it clear, guys? Online students, is it clear? Kindly please respond, guys. Please respond. Online students. Right. That is fantastic. Very good. Now, guys, now please check this. In the place of break statement, I'm trying to write continue. In the place of break statement, I am trying to write continue. Now, let me tell you what continue will do. Whenever the compiler came across continue, it will skip remaining statements which were present inside the loop. Directly, it will be going to increment or decrement operator. Once again, guys, whenever compiler came across break statement, what happens? It will be coming out from the loop. Guys, come on, tell me what happens whenever the compiler came across break statement. What happens? It will be coming out from the loop. If the compiler came across continue statement, then what will be happening? You know, remaining statements which were present inside the loop will not be executed. It will be skipping it. Directly the compiler will be going to increment or decrement operator. Now tell me what is my output. Just please think. Please think. Okay, up to here the same output. Like up to here the same output will be there. After that, whenever I value is equal to 5, it will be executing this continue. Then what happens? Guys, line number 15 will be getting executed. No, it will not be getting executed. Guys, I already told you why. Because whenever the compiler came across continue, remaining statements which were present inside the loop will be skipped. Directly it will be going to increment or decrement operator. Then 6 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Now I value is 6. This is condition true or false? Condition is false, false. So obviously this block will not be getting executed. System.out.println I value